Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadine. If you guys haven't seen me, this is me, it's Nadine. For today's video, I'm going to do something different from the usual. Today I will unbox my package from Rainbow Loom. This is my very first time ordering products from the Rainbow Loom web store. So I'm very excited. I know it's not a big package because these shipping cost much more than the products themselves, guys. And I'm actually kind of sad because Rainbow Loom just released some new products yesterday. So yeah, I'm kind of sad because I couldn't get the chance to buy the new products. And yeah, maybe if I have another chance in the future, I will definitely buy the new products that Rainbow Loom has. So yeah, this is my package here, and I have my laptop down here so I can check my order. By the way, I am using this jewel changi or JC necklace. If you guys want to know how to make it, just let me know in the comments so I can upload the tutorial for you guys. Yeah, I'm so excited to open this. Let's just open it. I have my scissor here. By the way, I heard that Rainbow Loom has a new web store for India. So if you guys live around India, it will be much easier for you guys to buy the Rainbow Loom products. Okay, so here's the package. This is one, and this is the receipt. And guys, these are the products that I order. Let's open it. First we have the pearl turquoise hot pink. This is the color. It's really pretty. By the way, I'm using an iPhone to film this video because I don't have a camera. So yeah. And sorry if the video quality is not as good. Yeah, this is the first one. Next is this rose pink. It's the color. Next we have pickle green. I don't really have much green, but yeah, this is really cool. Next is passion pink. This is like my favorite dual layer for pink. This is passion pink. By the way, I'm really sorry guys if the lights kind of change because I am recording in my living room, and behind you guys, or which is in front of me now, it's like a glass door. So yeah, so this is passion pink. Then we have, this is a zebra stripe. I actually have a zebra stripe, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, my zebra stripe is not white and black anymore, if that makes sense. Okay, that's it for the little package, the little plastic here. Next is this big one. First, we have this premium Vans banana peel. I love the color. As you can see, it's a dual layer and also premium bands. Next we have tie-dye. This is the jelly tie-dye. Next we have the Persian white. I love Persian whites. This color is like, it won't go wrong with any color. Next is, oh, this is the Glow Electric Purple, the color. Next we have the Premium Black. This. Next is the Mango, Opaque Mango. I feel like this color is kind of attractive to me because it's not yellow and it's not like orange. If you guys know what I mean. Yeah. Next we have these two. This one is Pastel Peach and this one is Pink Lemonade. I love pink for my bracelet, for my renditions. And then next we have the Premium Pastel Baby Pink. Next we have this Sunkiss, Persian Sunkiss. I've never tried this color, so. And then the last two are the Premium White and the Penguin Black. You guys probably noticed that I changed my clothes. That's because I forgot to do the outro. And this is, yeah, this is the outro. These are the products that I ordered. I believe I ordered 18 different type of pins. These are the products and it's 10 out of 10 for me. I love Rainbow Loom products, and I'm still sad about the new products that I couldn't get the chance to buy. Yeah, if only I order it later, you know. But yeah, anyway, I'm so happy with what I ordered here. And yeah, I'll put Rainbow Loom official web store in my description box below, and thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm actually kind of want to know about your opinion about, you know, making video like showing my face to the camera like this. I don't know if you guys whether you guys like it or not. Just let me know in the comment so I know what to do in the future. So yeah, thank you. Goodbye.